If Photopea is giving you a download error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can export your file successfully and get back to working on your design. This is especially helpful if your download is blocked, stuck, or failing without a clear reason. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's fix it. First, disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions that could be interfering with Photopea's export process. Tools like uBlock Origin, script blockers, tracking protection, or strict privacy add-ons can sometimes prevent the site from running the scripts it needs to create your download. Try turning them off temporarily and then refresh Photopea. If the download starts working, that tells you the extension is the issue. In that case, the better long-term fix is to whitelist photopea.com in your extension settings instead of leaving protection off it completely. That way, Photopea can run normally while the rest of your browser stays protected. Next, test Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, you can usually open this with Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and N. Private mode is useful because most extensions are disabled by default, so this gives you a clean test environment. Open your file again and try exporting it. If the download works in private mode, then the problem is likely coming from an extension, a cached session, or a browser setting in your normal window. This is one of the fastest ways to isolate the cause without changing your actual project. Now let's check the file name itself. Sometimes Photopea download issues happen because the project name includes special characters that browsers or operating systems don't handle well during export. Remove things like slashes, quotes, emojis, question marks, colons, and other unusual symbols. A simple name is always best. Try renaming the file with basic letters, numbers, hyphens, or underscores, like Project 01 or Design Final, then export again. This small change can solve download errors that look technical but are actually caused by a file name issue. After that, check your browser download permissions. Click the lock icon or the site controls icon next to the address bar while you're on photopea.com. Look for permissions such as pop-ups and redirects, automatic downloads, and file downloads. Make sure they're set to Allow. Photopea may also trigger browser prompts asking to allow multiple downloads, so if you see one, approve it. These permissions matter because the browser can block Photopea from creating or saving the exported file, even when everything else seems fine. If the file still will not download, the next thing to check is memory or RAM. Photopea is powerful, but large projects can use a lot of system resources, especially if you have many tabs open or other apps running in the background. Close unused browser tabs first, especially heavy ones like streaming sites, games, or other design tools. Then close unnecessary background applications if possible. If your file is very large, save a PSD backup before making any big changes. You can also try flattening layers or lowering a very high canvas resolution to reduce the export workload. This can make the download process much lighter and much more likely to succeed. So if I were troubleshooting this in order, I would start with extensions, then incognito mode, then the file name, then browser permissions, and finally, memory usage. In most cases, one of these fixes will resolve the Photopea download error quickly. This video helped you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.